Trending lipstick names. What's hot in beauty right now? 2025. Alright, lipstick lovers. Quick game. I'm going to describe a vibe. You guess the shade name. And then I'll reveal what's trending in 2025. Ready? Vibe 1. Iced coffee at 3 p.m. Subtle brown with a creamy finish. Guess? Mocha mousse, latte lips, cold brew kiss. Soft browns that feel cozy but polished. Vibe 2. That just bitten berry stain after a farmer's market sample. Guess? Cherry crush, raspberry rush, plum drip. Think glossy, hydrating, slightly sheer. Vibe 3. A soft focus nude that looks like your lips, but elevated. Guess? Vanilla veil, cloud nude, blushed linen, names that sound like textures and fabrics. Vibe 4. Warm sunlit coral that wakes up your face. Guess? Solar peach, heatwave pop, citrus beam, cheery, camera-friendly, vacation in a tube. Vibe 5. Glossy brown red, like cola with ice. Guess? Cherry cola, root beer rouge, cinnamon soda. Pair with a liner for that snatched lip line. Vibe 6. Cool toned pink that looks like a soft filter. Guess? Cloud pink, soft focus rose, blur balm, airy, comfy, almost skincare first finishes. Vibe 7. Bold party red that leans blue for whiter teeth. Guess? Velvet rouge, theater red, night out, transfer resistant without the Sahara lips. Vibe 8. Spicy terracotta that flatters every selfie. Guess? Cinnamon spark, sienna flame, paprika kiss. They photograph beautifully under natural light. Quick lightning round. Say yes if you'd wear it. Dewdrop rose, a dewy balmy pink. Milk tea nude, neutral beige with peach. Berry glaze, sheer raisin gloss. Sunset nectar, golden coral shimmer. Here's what ties the 2025 names together. Food and drinks, because delicious sells. Textures you can feel. Velvet, cloud, glaze, veil. Cozy nostalgia, 90s cola, cafe core, soft focus vibes. If you're shade hunting, try this quick cheat sheet. Want every day? Look for veil, cloud, milk tea. Want bold? Scan for velvet, theater, night. Want warm? Words like cinnamon, sienna, solar. Want juicy? Glaze, crush, nectar, rush. Before you check out, do the wrist swatch test under warm and cool light, then smile test on camera. If your teeth pop, the undertone's working. If your skin looks gray, pivot to warmer names like cinnamon or peach. Final guess, soft brown pink that works on every Zoom call. It's milk tea nude. If you see any of these names on shelves, you're basically looking at 2025 in a tube. Drop your current favorite shade name in the comments. No gatekeeping. And if you want me to test drive a full coffee core lips lineup, say brew it. See you in the next one.